Hi, today we're going to be playing Dragon's Life. Okay, let's go see if anyone wants to hang out with us. Ugh, hate these fires. Oh, thank you, that one's already out. Who's this? Razor, Prince of Acid Dragons. Oh, he wants to talk. Okay. Seems like classic 5-year-old. Okay. He says, be friends, and I said, okay. Hey. Yay. Oh, you meant yay. Let's go find a home. Together. Okay, let's go. He doesn't have to fly, right? Oh. Yeah. Oh. This is sad. I gotta teach him. Double tap. Space bar. Oh, he got it. Okay. He said, okay. Let's go. Fly away. He's taking forever. Can he not press shift? No. I think he's good. I think I know where we can go. Where is he going? This way. This way. Where is he going? I'll just say, follow me. Okay. Wow. Great shot. Okay. Whee! Where is it? Better be following me. Oh, hold on. Let me stop this fire. I can't handle those. Blowing it with my elements. Okay, where are you? Oh, there it is. I like living. That's not where I live. Here it is. Very nice in here. There are a few couple dragons that live around here too. This is my place because I am soon going to be the queen of all the dragons. Set out the fire. Oh. Who are these people? Oh, they left. There you are. Okay. Now I'm gonna turn on my voice chat. Oh my gosh, no, don't do that. I turned on my voice chat, so. Okay. Actually, no, because you don't need to. Sorry if the keyboard is really loud. I'm big, he says. What do you mean? I'm acid dust. I have that fire. I think I know what we can do. Okay. follow me. Okay, let's go. I think he should be able. We need a place where both of us can stay. He needs fire, I need ice or water. Maybe this won't work out. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Maybe we both need to get adopted. Ready? Where did he go? Maybe he went to the adoption center. I'll go find him. I don't know my way through here, but I think I'll be able to find it. By the way, this is my first video, and if I sound a little nervous, I am, okay? I don't know where he is. I'll just call for him. Where is he? Here, I'll just get on the tallest mountain there is nearby. And maybe he'll be able to see me here. Doesn't really know anything. I think I found it. Yep, this is the main place for the adoption center. Just gotta find it. This one? Just here. I need ice. I have to leave. I need ice. That was so much better. Okay, so it kicked me off, and I don't know why, but it did. Hello. Hi. So right now I am trying to do this. Okay. So I'm trying to find people, because I say needs a friend in my description, my bio. So I'm gonna go and try to find some people like that are like this person. This lady, she is so confused. She has no Robux. She can't do anything. So I'm just gonna say, hey. I guess she can't type, so I'm gonna move on. I'm just gonna keep on going to people. Oh, pick a box. Anyways, I'm gonna go find people.
Why is it lagging so much? Is it lagging here?
Yes, it's lagging on mine. It's just a slow account, or a slow server. I think I'm gonna say hi to this person. Actually, I want them to be outside. I know I have my people with. I need them to be everything that I want them to be. Shana? Where are they? Hi. Oh, she ran away. She gonna say hi back? I'm saying hi to you, maybe you said. How are you? Try to distract her. Oh! To ask you a question. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. What's happening? There's a flying fire truck. Oh my gosh. Some people are psycho. Oh my gosh, no, not me. Oh my god. No one's driving it. What's going on? What is that? Ah! This is scary. Oh my gosh. It's gonna roll into me. Oh my gosh. What in the world? No one's even driving it. This is so strange. Where'd he go? Oh my god! Are you serious? This actually works. I'm gonna trap so many people with this. Wait, you can just jump out of here, can't you? You die. Oh. Nope. I don't care about you. Or care for you. So, I'm going to have some help from that box. And we are going to trap people in the police station jail. Cause like, what other thing to do? Where is he? Oh, where's the police station? So I have this girl. She doesn't know. I was going to ask her a question, but now I'm just gonna trap her in the jail, and she doesn't even know. Let's go. Oh, throw her into the walls of the yard out there. Because I'm mean. Do it! Come on. Okay, I think that's where we're gonna end it off. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.